Our next stop on the Norwegian Sky is Palma de Mallorca, Spain. This was a busy port, but it was very conveniently located to everything we wanted to see. Palma, also known as Palma de Mallorca, is the capital and the largest city of the Balearic Islands in Spain. If you haven't booked a trip, when you exit the port, there'll be plenty of people standing by willing to take you on a trip. We opted to do a self-guided tour, and we took taxis and the bus around town. So public transportation was 24 euros for 8 people. This is Hotel Cuba, once the primary residence of Raphael Juan Roch, the modern architecture influenced by the Gaudí school. Close by you'll find Santa Catalina Municipal City Market, where you'll find the freshest seafood, meats, delicacies, charcuteries, cheeses, fruits, and so much more. This market is the oldest market in Mallorca. It was built around 1920 and was remodeled in 1999 to be what it is today.
Vale, voy para allá. Una selección mía, yo
Sí,
elijo.
sí, de los mejores.
Todo está bueno aquí. Vamos a hacer un pequeño mix.
Gracias.
¿Para niños también?
Sí, sí.
Para niños esta,
Ok.
que es la que más gusta. Luego ponemos un poquito picante, no, ¿no?
No.
Es un poquito de negra en aceite. Bien
Perfecto.
así.
This beautiful park is arranged over 3 levels. It has water fountains, grassy areas, and plenty of benches, with a series of playgrounds for children of all different ages. Very relaxing. Iglesia Santa Creu is a large historic Gothic church located in the heart of Palma's traditional fishing district. Construction began in the 14th century and it was later expanded in the 15th century. Features include a single nave with side chapels and a ribbed vault ceiling with a mixture of Gothic and Mannerist styles, particularly on the portal dedicated to Santa Helena. Passeig del Born is a historic, tree-lined boulevard in Palma, known for its upscale shops, cafes, and vibrant atmosphere. It's a popular area for strolling, shopping, people-watching, and enjoying cultural events. It is often called Palma's Golden Mile and features numerous luxury designer stores alongside other boutiques and shops. The area has a medieval past, originally serving as a jousting field, or born, for the knights. As we return to the port, that's going to do it from Palma, Spain. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. It'll mean a lot to us.